So you still want to do Rudy's run?
Yes.
Okay.
I need to conquer Rudy. Look at that dog sticker. How do they even stick stickers right there?
They reach out and...
You're telling me your arm's that long?
Well, if you lean over, yeah.
And get it swinging, maybe.
Oh, wow, yeah. Oh, well, I guess there's a ladder, too.
It's... I mean, you could climb up the ladder, but that's not where they're... I mean, like, this is for just people reaching out.
Oh, wait, yeah, touch it.
Like, I
Oh,
could reach
That's
it.
pretty close.
easily.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my gosh, we should bring a sticker up.
There's signs on there, there's stickers on there that say for rectal use only.
For what?
Rectal use only.
Ew. That's gross. I was thinking like a little Hello dog. I got a sticker last night at that little arcade place we went to, and it's a little dog with the Colorado like logo in the middle, and then it says Steamboat. Because I've decided now that I'm a pro skier, I'm gonna get a helmet, and for every place I go, stick a sticker on it.
Nice. I have seen a sticker at the house. I thought about it. I was back and I was there.
Yeah, that's right. Is that your own helmet?
Yeah.
How did you get that in that tiny bag you brought?
Don't worry about how I got what I got, where I got it, okay?
Well, I just don't understand how I had 2.5 bags and no helmet, and you had that tiny thing with helmet. Tiny little bag.
So whenever you're folding everything, put it in your bag. How do you fold?
I put it in vacuum sealed bags because there's space.
I mean, it's probably better than not, but it's not the best use of space. And you probably brought a lot more clothes than I brought.
Yeah, that's true. I brought like 7 outfits. They each have a different pair of pants. What? What? Beads? Yeah. Oh yeah, my God, beads. Oh, they are. That's actually really cool. Can't see when there's snow on the trees.
Like on a storm peak, but
Really?
when you go up a little and it goes down into the valley, there's a tree that's just a little bit of like boots and bras and I guess.
That's so funny.
Keep always going
Yeah.
And that's where you yesterday, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I know where we are now. Just get break the legs. Really quivering after my single blue.
So what we'll do here is we'll go Broadway
Okay.
down, and that'll get us to I think it's Elkhead Lift.
Okay.
And that'll take us up to where we need to go to ski across.
Okay, I'll just follow you.
I figured.
Have a good time. Ah, this is where I forgot to clip my boots in. If I remember right. Okay. Whoa! Yep, almost just ran you over. My pleasure. I'm also to your right. Here we are. Back at the spot.
Huh?
I said back at the spot. A beautiful, beautiful day.
Oh yeah. Good run. Nice stop.
Huh?
I said good run. Nice stop.
Ooh, thanks.
Yeah.
This is a great little place to breathe for a sec. In fact, take a little sip of agua. Be quick. You want them?
I got one.
Oh yeah, right, Coke. Your Coke.
That's not opening. Okay.
Yep. I was just focusing on not sliding back. I caught the momentum. All right. Rudy's run. Here we go.
Maybe we should turn and go downhill. That way you're facing forward instead of
Backwards.
backwards.
Yeah, it's
When
kind
you
of
start out.
kind of genius, but actually, now that I'm a blue skier, I think I'll just ski backwards.
Woo!
I'm gonna crash and burn now that I've said that.
Everybody has their boots and shoes on tight to get good boots.
I'm telling you.
She's one blue and now she's gonna start skiing backwards.
Yeah, this is nice right here. Great place to practice the turns. Whoa, I'm coming in hot. Not on purpose. Oh my gosh, look at this little dude. Around the left. Woohoo! Okay. Man, it's getting toasty now.
Yeah, really. All right.
Woohoo! Whoa. That was fun.
Yeah, that was good. That was way nicer than yesterday.
Oh yeah,
That run was so much nicer.
it was really nice. What's that one?
This here?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'd have to look it up.
Oh crap.
It's like Puff's run or something.
Did you crash?
Out of bounds. This is out of bounds.
Well,
You see
okay.
trails outside, but like, you're not going to see out here. Like, I think it's going across.
Oh.
It's going across. Or I tried to come across today to get to go to the top. The Sundown Express.
Yeah.
The Sundown Express is down. The ride was earlier.
That's
That's what we
right.
took yesterday where we came across there.
Oh yeah.
Thinking about it, I might have to open this. Depends on what I got.
Pretty toasty.
You know, things have been
Wait, that's kind of nice. That's nice.
Open, open.
Yeah, that's sweet. Almost there. Hot out, hot out. Oh, I'm ready.